Okay, I want to show you a cool website out there that allows you to basically, and this is what I do for a lot of websites, is actually you can take a look at here real quick, Rock Home Place. So this is one of the KW websites. We did a custom banner here, you can see that. But then what we did is we built out this nice landing page that had a quick one click, the clients could get to anything they want to right from that page. So what we did, instead of actually going in and adding each individual image and trying to piece it all together, we wanted to have nice flow and not be chopped up and be breaking apart. So all we did was, using Microsoft PowerPoint, was create the image. You can see we've got all this stuff. So if you have some experience with PowerPoint, create your own image, and then you guys can piece all this together. You can see this is different sections. Then all we do is we just take this, highlight everything, go right click, copy it, and then we go into Microsoft Paint, and I'm just going to paste it. Now it's pasted in there. File, save as. I'm just going to save this, and I'm using Dropbox because what I want to do is this site will store my image for probably 30 days, but then it'll get rid of my image because it doesn't want to keep the storage. So I want to save it to my Dropbox and then to my public folder. I'm just going to call it test image. So I save it there, and then what I'm going to do is going to go to the site called image-maps.com. And what I'm going to do is, okay, I'm going to upload a photo, so I'm going to hit Browse, go to my Dropbox, to my public, and test image. I'm going to say, let me start mapping that image. So then, it takes about 10 seconds for it to load it. But then what will happen is, very cool thing here. So continue to next step. So it pulls it in, and all I do is I go in here and I choose each section of this. If they click here, it goes here. So I click rectangle, and I say, okay, if they click on property search, so I'm just going to size this right. Alright, if they click on property search, all I'm going to do is I'm going to go out to my website. For them to do a property search, normally they'd have to click property search for property in your area to get to that page. So then all I do is I just go and do the clicks for them, so then they can just hit it once. Then I hit copy, and then I just paste in that URL. So if they click there, that's where they're going. Then I do another rectangle, local market info. I created a page on here that has Rochester, Minnesota market report. So then all I do is I say, okay, boom, I grab that URL, copy, paste, save it. Then I do it for each one of these. So if I want to do single family homes, I build the URL for that, paste it in there, and I'd section off everything on here. Then once I'm all done, all I do is I click, oops, I gotta cancel that. Then it'll say, then you say, give me the code for that. Give me the source code. And you can also create a Facebook fan page using the same steps. So then say, get a code, and all you do is you want the HTML code. The only thing you're going to want to do is, they're going to store your image for a while. Here is the image file. It's stored on image-maps, uploaded, here's the file, and so on and so forth. So what you want to do is you want to replace that URL with your file's URL. So just right click on your file, click on Dropbox, copy that, because you're going to keep it on your computer forever, and then just paste it in. And now that image, so now if I copied that code, let's just say I was going into my website, agent website admin, and I wanted to go to create a new page, create, and then I go down here and I tell it that I'm going to enter in the source code. I paste it in, hit source, and bam, there's everything built right in. And then if I saved it, I can click on each one of those items automatically. So that is a cool little site that you can actually map out your images so they can click on multiple spots from one image. And if you guys have any questions, again, just refer back to the beginning of the video or just email me at kelvinmorgan@kw.com.